Sabi nga, kung sensitive ka, huwag ka na lang mag-business. So yun sabi ng boss ko before sa akin. By the way guys, my name is Nelmar and I am the property custodian of Eastern Founders. Basically, Eastern Founders is a brokerage company here in Makati City. We do sales, rentals, and property management. Okay, so that's Eastern Founders. And right, so sabi nga ng boss ko dati, if you're sensitive, huwag ka na lang mag-business. Okay? Kasi ako napaka-sensitive kong tao. Yung tipong konting mali mo lang ng pananalita, dinidibdib ko yan. Although hindi ko naman siya pinapakita to you, makapag-usap kita dyan. But, pag talikod ko niyan, pag uwi ko sa bahay, talagang dinidibdib ko pa rin yan. So, I think this is my red flag. Napaka-sensitive ko na tao. Yung, for example, first time kong ma-meet yung isang tao, kapag yung ang aura niya is medyo hindi pasok sa akin, or unang kita ko pa lang sa kanya, may nararamdaman kagad ako na parang mabigat na hindi ko talaga siya mabigyan ng magandang service. Okay? Kahit ano pa yung gagawin ko, hindi talaga naturally, hindi talaga maibigay sa kanila yung 100% na authenticity ng service ko sa kanila. So, ganun. So, I think hindi talaga nababagay sa business, but I don't know why I'm here doing business. But kung may clients mo na akong nakapanood sa video to, I would like to say thank you for the patience and understanding. No? Although, alam ko naman some of my clients there and here now, naramdaman din nila yung ganyan klaseng ugali ko. But yeah, I just want to say thank you. All right. So I've been trying to change that about myself. No? I'm trying to be patient and to be more welcoming, more open-minded sa mga bagay-bagay. Kasi I'm in this business for around half a decade already. So I think I have enough experience and knowledge para ma-provide ko sa client ko. No? Mabigyan ko sila ng value, no? As a real estate agent. So I just feel like I have to acknowledge it myself na talagang napaka-sensitive kong tao. And uh, that's one of the reason na ginawa ko itong yung YouTube channel ko na ito. At first, yung very first objective ko sa paggawa ko ng channel na ito is to just to promote our listings, if napapansin nyo, almost all of my videos here is all about listing, about property. But I come to realize now na gusto ko mag-provide ng more value sa client ko. So hopefully by doing this, no, is mas makilala nila pa ako, no, ng mga future clients ko. Mas makilala pa nila ako as a real person, as a good person, makilala nila ako as a trustworthy person. So yeah, that's my purpose now. So hopefully kung sino ba nakapanood ng video to is maintindihan din nila ako, no? And sa mga future kong clients yan, hi, kumusta kayong lahat, no? Sana maintindihan nyo, no? Kung magkikita man tayo in the future, kung sino man kayo, maraming salamat in advance. Alright? So, yun lang guys. So, yeah. I'm trying to change that about myself, yung pagiging sensitive ko. So, yun. That's all for this video. Thanks you so much for watching. Now, once again, my name is Nelmer. And please don't forget to like and share this video. And please subscribe to my channel. Bye. See you guys.